Hello lovely family, welcome back to Simple Recipes Kitchen again. We are making apple and celery juice. I'm going to divide the juice into two and I'm going to add two ingredients to one of them. Based on my preference, I will let you know which one tastes better. Sit back, take a deep breath, relax and enjoy. If today is the first time of coming across Simple Recipes Kitchen and you like my content and would like weekly videos from Simple Recipes, just click on the red subscription button and the notification bell and you will receive all updates when I post my recipes. Keep watching and I appreciate you. Our celery and apple juice is ready. I'm tasting the one with the honey and lemon. I'm about to taste the celery and apple juice alone. The celery and apple has this natural sweetness. The honey and the lemon brings out this sweet, sour, sharp taste, which I think is amazing and the flavor is very unique. I prefer the one with the lemon and the honey. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and safe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.